this close to losing it.
Shut off by the metro again.
They're kind of a thing.
I know.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That looks pretty good.
Look at that. Oh man.
Dude, that's a win, man. That's a win.
This is the mac and cheese burger.
It's a big win.
We will be back with a review. We were in Turkey eating burgers. Not turkey burgers, but turkey burgers. Guys, this mac and cheese burger might be one of the best mac and cheese burgers I've ever had. And I'm in Istanbul. Kev, it is. Kev, the official review of Kev's place.
Really, really good.
All right, as you guys know, I try McDonald's in every country I travel to.
I don't want fries. Can I get? I'm getting.
Ordering McDonald's from an ATM-looking machine. So on the count of three, say the one word that describes your meal. 3. So I am here in Turkey, and I got a Big Mac. So far, looks the same. Fries taste the same. The Big Mac tastes the same. Watch out, he. Yo, he about destroyed Heath's right shoulder. You can get ice cream for like $2 US, so it's worth getting it after every meal if you ask me. Oh, so there is a cat. I hate you. Go in, go in.
No!
Go in.
I love the
Go in.
I love
Stay
you.
in.
I love you. Did you do that?